Hello and welcome to this another CAD tutorial by Disenyo Local. So today I'm going to demonstrate to you how to intersect objects. Okay, so there are three objects here. So I'm going to intersect this one to this one and then this one. So let us try. Okay, so just select intersect and select all objects and then space. So there you go, the intersected objects left. So let us try again. Another this one. Let us move the objects and then intersect. Select all objects. So there you go. So let us repeat. Only two objects. Let us move this one. Okay. So this one. Let us intersect these two objects. So there you go. So that is intersect. Thank you.